Hello friends, today we are learn capital letter alphabet A to Z with color name. Let's paint. Orange color. A. A for alligator. Red color. B. B for backpack. Sky blue color. C. C for candle. Yellow color. D. D for dolphin. Dark green color. E. E for earth. Orange color. F. F for fish. Red color. G. G for goat. Sky blue color. H. H for horse. Yellow color. I. I for island. Dark green color. J. J for jelly. Orange color. K. K for kangaroo. Red color. L. L for lotus. Sky blue color. M. M for marigold flower. Yellow color. N. N for nut. Dark green color. O. O for octopus. Orange color. P. P for penguin. Red color. Q. Q for queen. Sky blue color. R. R for rose. Yellow color. S. S for sun. Dark green color. T. T for tiger. Orange color. U. U for umbrella. Red color. V. V for fan. Sky blue color. W. W for watermelon. Yellow color. X. X for Xmas tree. Dark green color. Y. Y for yo-yo. Orange color. Z. Z for zoo. Small letter alphabet. A. B. C. D. E. F. G. H. I. J. K. L. M. N. O. P. Q. R. S. T. U. V. W X Y Z. Let's paint yellow color. A for apple, brown color. B for balloon, red color. C for cat, sky blue color. D for doctor, orange color. E for egg, yellow color. F for frog, brown color. G for goat, red color. H for hand, sky blue color. I for island, orange color. J for joker, yellow color. K for kite, brown color. L for lion, red color. M for mango, sky blue color. N for nose, orange color. O for onion, yellow color. P for panda, brown color. Q for queen, red color. R for rabbit, sky blue color. S for sun, orange color. T for tiger, yellow color. U for umbrella, brown color. V for fan, red color. W for watermelon, sky blue color. X for X-ray, orange color. Y for yo-yo, yellow color. Z for zebra. Let's learn. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z.